Hello, hi friends. In this video, I solve this equation to find the value of the x here. Solution question is that 18 raised power x equal to square root 2 over 6. Now 18 I can write as 3 into 3 into 2 power here x equal to square root 2. 6 I can write as 3 into here 2. Now this one I can write as 3 power x into 3 power x into 2 power x equal to, this one also I can write as 3 power minus 1 into 2 power minus 1 square root 2. Here base are same, this one become 3 power 2x into 2 power x is equal to 3 power minus 1 2 power minus 1 into 2 power 1 upon 1 over 2. Square root 2 I can write as 2 power 1 over 2. Okay, 3 power 1 2x into, here I multiply with 2 and divide with 2 here equal to minus 1 into, if we solve we get 2 power minus 1 over 2. Now this one also I can write 3 power 2x into 2 power 1 over 2 power 2. By using exponent rule, this one also I can write as equal to, this one I can write as 3 power minus 1 2 power 1 over 2 power minus 1. If we solve this one we get same result. Okay, here power are same, so this one also I can write as 3 2 power 1 over 2 power 2x is equal to, here 3 into 2 1 over 2 power here minus 1. Okay, now here base is same, base are cancel each other. Now 2x equal to here minus 1. Okay, now x equal to minus 1 over here 2. Okay, in this equation value of the x is minus 1 over 2. If we check here, check and verify, equation is that 18x equal to square root 2 over 6. 18 power minus 1 over 2 equal to square root 2 over 6. 1 over 18 power 1 upon 2 equal to 2 square root 6. If we solve we get 1 over square root 18 equal to 6. So this one also I can write as 1 over 3 square root 2 equal to 6. Okay, 1 over equal to under root square root 2 over 6. 1 over 3 square root 2, here multiply and divide square root 2 equal to square root 2 over 6. I multiply and divide with square root 2. 1 multiply by square root 2 we get square root 2. 3 square root 2 square root 2 square means square root 2 square equal to square root 2 over 6. Square root 2 over square root cancel, 3 into 2 equal to square root 2 over 6. Now square root 2, 3 multiplied by 2, 6 equal to verify. Equation are verified. Both sides are equal. Okay, thanks.